Hi, it's me Haseeba, your content queen with video 3. Over the last couple of videos, I touched upon how you can harness the value of employees when driving a culture of innovation, which results in driving business transformation and making your organization stay competitive. Other benefits were saving your organization time and money and increasing business efficiency. Now, according to the Gallup State of the Global Workplace report, 85% of employees are either not engaged or actively disengaged in the workplace. That's not great. And the economic consequence of this could be as high as $7 trillion in lost productivity. In today's video, I'll touch upon one of the steps you need to take to drive this culture of innovation in your organization. There are 6 steps which are extremely important, and I'll also focus each step around 3 core areas: people to contribute, software to capture ideas, and process to facilitate the development. The next step is focused specifically around people. And when we talk about people, we talk about leadership and employees. Step 1, audit your innovation culture. Do an internal audit. Understand where you are in your innovation journey as an organization, and this will help drive a really good innovation strategy. Look at your leadership. Are they on board? Are they excited? Are they ready to drive this cultural change? Make it part of his or her KPI. And is he or she an effective and consistent communicator? These are all key criteria. They need to excite employees, ignite their passion. They need to be genuine, and everyone needs to see them as trustworthy. Now, depending on your organization's size, you may use a steering team and not necessarily have an individual in the lead. Now, when it comes to the other part of people, your employees, what they think is extremely important. So run an employee survey. Ask them. By combining your business innovation objectives along with your employee feedback, you are on your way to creating an innovation strategy that is both two-way and transparent. And now we will talk to you about our latest software release, Aurora's latest edition. We have an idea management dashboard feature that is now available and integrated with Microsoft Power BI. Now, this integration with Microsoft Power BI provides high-level management insights into the status of your idea pipeline directly through your Microsoft Teams application. How cool is that? We all love data, we all love the metrics, and we all love reporting. It will quickly and easily identify which business challenges are generating the most interest and also analyze the overall engagement activity over time. In our next video, we'll cover step 2, which is called the kickoff. As once you have your innovation strategy ready, along with your stakeholder buy-in, you will be so ready to kick off a culture of innovation. Stay safe, everyone. Don't forget to follow us on LinkedIn, Facebook, and Twitter, and you can also subscribe to our YouTube channel. Until next time, ciao for now.